this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone doesn't ring on incoming calls. So the first step, we have a few steps. I will show you. The first step is to disable the airplane option right here. Disable it if you turn on. This is the first step. And the second step, to click on the settings app and scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics, and you need to turn on the ringtone and alerts all the way to the end, maximize, and you need to choose the ringtone from here or any ringtone, other ringtones. This is the second step. Click back, and we have the third step, to search on the phone app. Click on it and scroll down and tap on announce calls, and you need to change it to always. Click back, and this is the third step. We have the fourth step, which is you need to always disable. Tap on the focus, hold on it, and we have do not disturb. If this is turn on, disable it, turn off. And the last step, you need to hard reset and restart your iPhone, and the problem will be fixed 100%. And that's it. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.